Welcome to IP Addressing Explained, your guide to understanding the fundamental concept behind every network connection. Let's start with an introduction to IP addressing and why it's so crucial in our digital world. An IP address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. Its primary purposes are host or network interface identification and location addressing, allowing data to be sent to the correct destination. Now, let's delve into IPv4 addresses, which have been the standard for a long time. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers, typically represented as 4 sets of numbers, called octets, separated by dots. This common representation is known as dotted decimal notation, making it easier for humans to read and understand. Public IPv4 addresses are unique globally, allowing direct internet access, while private IPv4 addresses are used for local networks, often behind a router. Next, we'll explore IPv6 addresses designed to address the limitations of IPv4. With the rapid growth of internet-connected devices, IPv4 addresses were running out, prompting the development of IPv6 to provide a much larger address space. IPv6 addresses are 128-bit numbers, significantly larger than IPv4, and are represented as 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits. This hexadecimal notation allows for a vast number of unique addresses, ensuring there will be enough for all future devices. Now let's understand the mechanics of how IP addresses function in a network. Devices can get IP addresses dynamically through DHCP servers, or they can be assigned manually as static IP addresses, often for servers or network equipment. Routers use IP addresses to direct data packets to their intended destinations across local and global networks, making seamless communication possible. In conclusion, IP addresses are the backbone of all network communication. They are essential for identifying devices, addressing locations, and ensuring data reaches its correct recipient, facilitating everything from browsing the web to sending emails. As technology evolves, IP addressing will continue to adapt, with IPv6 playing an increasingly vital role in supporting the ever-expanding digital landscape.